Hi guys, this is video 2 of 3. Now I do want to go over the previous problem, which was 3/4 as shown right there. That is equivalent to 0.75. The reason for that was because when we got to the 5, we had no more remainders and we were done dividing, okay? In this particular next example, I want to go over a particular fraction who's not going to have the same result, okay? We're going to see a repeating pattern and we're going to be able to round off, or I'll show you another way that you can show that the pattern is going to repeat forever, okay? This particular fraction is going to be, that I want to go over is 2/3, okay? All right. I want to go, and on video 3, I'm going to show you the special fractions that you might want to remember because they're very typical. They show up a lot. All right, so right here on this one, 2/3, right? Let me go ahead and change it in color so we can identify them again. All right, remember the top number is going to be the numerator, okay? And the bottom number is going to be the denominator. All right, remember when that case happens, all right, when the top number, which is the numerator, is smaller than the bottom number, which is the denominator, that is going to be a fraction that its value is less than 1, okay? So we're going to go ahead and focus again. As you can see on the left, I left the table there. I want you to be able to see it throughout the video so you can probably remember better, right? So remember, table stands for top in, bottom out, okay? So we're going to go ahead and follow through with that, okay? The top number, which is a 2, is going to go in the inside of the house, right? And the bottom number, which is a 3, right, is going to go on the outside part of the house, okay? And we're going to go ahead and get started with our division problem. Remember, we can stop dividing when we're done dividing, all right, when there's no more remainders, or when we can identify a pattern, okay? So let's go over this problem real quick. We're going to go ahead and align our decimals first, right? And the 3 is not going to go into the 2 because this fraction is a proper fraction, which makes it less than 1, all right? Remember again, if we add a 0 on the right of the decimal, it does not change the value of this particular number, which makes it makes it okay to do it math, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get started. 3 goes into 20, how many times? It's going to go in 6 times, because 6 times 3 is 18, all right? We're going to go ahead and subtract it, and that's going to give us a 2. So we have a remainder of 2, guys. So what we got to keep doing is we got to keep adding a 0, okay? 2.00 was the same thing as 2.0, okay? So it's not really affecting the value of that number. So we can keep going. We're going to bring that 0 down, like so, and that's going to give us another 20. How many times is 3 going to go into 20? Another 6 times, okay? All right? So 3 times 6 is 18. We subtract it, and that's going to give us another 2, okay? This 2, again, we can keep adding another 0, and we're going to bring it all the way down, and that's going to give us another 20. 3 is going to go into that again, another 6 times. So as you can see, the 6 is going to keep repeating itself because 3 is always going to go into 20 how many times? 3 times, and it's always going to be 18, and you're always going to have that remainder of 2. So you're going to be able to continue this pattern to go on forever. So in reality, this number will go on 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, all the way forever, okay? So one thing we can do is we can either round it off, all right, and depending on your particular instructor or teacher, they'll tell you which place value they want you to round off. But the other way we can do it is as so, okay? We're going to put a line on what we identify to be the pattern, okay? And that is very important, okay? All right, we got to identify which one's the pattern. And in this case, as we're dividing every time, which one's the pattern? The number 6. Therefore, this line should only go above the 1, 6, okay? Not 2 6s, only the 1, 6, okay? So this is how do you switch 2/3, all right, into a decimal, which is going to be 0.66, or as so like this, or if you round it off, it will be like 6.67, okay? So that's going to cover this video 2 of 3. On the last one, I'm just going to recap, and I'm just going to go over another particular fraction that you might want to remember. Like I said, thank you for watching the video. If you want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. I'm here to help you out. You can shoot me any problems that you might have with a test or any concepts that you want me to go over, and I'll gladly do so, okay? I'll try to post 3 to 4 videos every week. It'll probably be late in the afternoon. All right, I want to thank you for watching this video once again, and I'll see you for video 3.